So guys, let's start. Let's go to YouTube app. Click the plus sign at the bottom to upload video. And then let's choose a video to upload. For
What does a
example.
cat say?
Okay,
What does a
then
dog?
next, upload. Let's put a title TikTok. Let's make it a private first. Okay, so it was uploading. So hintay lang tayo, just wait. So yan, uploading pa po siya. So we need to wait for a while. So now it's okay because this was checked already. So now we'll go to YouTube Studio. And then click YouTube Studio. After that, we will go to our videos on uploads. So now we will see the TikTok video. We need just to click it, and you can see the pencil sign. Just click it to edit. After that, let's go to its visibility. Let's make it public and set as premiere and schedule at 13. Let's put 6 p.m. Philippine time. Okay, 6 p.m. and after that, save. As you can see, you can saw a plus sign with set up premiere. So after, select trailer. Okay, so YouTube will give you some option of your videos which you can put as your trailer. So let's select this. Okay, and then at below of it, you can save and then save again. So that's it. It was saved already. So now we will go to YouTube app. We'll go to YouTube app so that we could see our premiere. So go to our channel, just refresh for a while and then go to videos, and now you can see our TikTok premiere. So that's it. There's a trailer, a short trailer on our premiere. Trailer can be 15 seconds to 3 minutes long and can be played before the countdown begins.